This video explores the history of the Ghanaian Cedi, examining the country's macroeconomic journey through the evolution of its currency artifacts. The name Cedi comes from the Akan word for cowry shell. Arab merchants introduced these shells to West Africa in the 14th century, and they remained a form of currency alongside gold dust and coins until 1901. Following independence, Ghana needed a new monetary system to replace the British West African pound. After using the Ghanaian pound for a short period, the nation adopted a decimal system in 1965. In July 1965, President Kwame Nkrumah introduced the First Cedi notes and pesewa coins. The currency was pegged to the British pound, with 1 pesewa equal to 1 old British penny. The first currency featured President Kwame Nkrumah prominently. His portrait appeared on all inaugural banknotes and every coin denomination, where he was titled Conditor, meaning the founder of Ghana. A military coup in February 1966 led to significant changes. The new administration ordered the removal of Nkrumah's image from all currency, and the new Cedi was issued on February 23, 1967. The mint shifted its focus away from political portraits, instead choosing to feature elements of national heritage on coins, such as Adowa drums, agricultural exports, and traditional cowry shells. Over 4 decades, banknote designs evolved. Early series highlighted local flora and fauna. Middle series honored workers and students, while later series introduced imagery of national infrastructure. Severe inflation throughout the 1980s and 1990s devastated the value of the Second Cedi. By 2007, the largest banknote held a value of only about $2. To combat inflation, the central bank removed 4 zeros in 2007. The government introduced the Third Cedi, exchanging old currency at a ratio of 10,000 to 1. The Third Cedi marked a return to political iconography. The Bank of Ghana featured, quote, the Big Six founding fathers on banknotes, while the reverse sides highlighted modern landmarks like the Parliament House. In 2017, the Bank of Ghana released a special commemorative 5 Cedi note. This issue was designed to celebrate milestones in central banking and highlighted modern oil fields. The modern currency has continued to face economic pressure. Between 2008 and 2022, the Third Cedi lost over 90% of its initial value against the US dollar. From the First Cedi to the Third, Ghana's currency history reflects the country's political and economic evolution. These physical artifacts serve as a record of the nation's journey.